What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, October 21st, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you for being here, as always, man. All right. Excuse me. So, today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. I guess we could have went with Tandy Town because that was a pretty strong finish to the end of the day there. The Dow Jones was red. It's still red, but, just barely. It's pretty sideways, but I think crypto is down. So, yeah, we'll go with the stock exchange today. Hope you guys printed Tendies. I did not. Many of you guys already know on the Discord. What a wild day, but we'll get to that very soon. So, honestly, guys, today might be a short show because there really isn't too much to talk about other than DWAC, the major runner today, and Tesla. There is a few honorable mentions, which I guess we can take a look at. If we have time later. But for the most part, number one was DWAC, and number 2 was Tesla today. And then, the other top 10 were like meme stocks. We had AMC, BBIG, CEI, Ocugen, but, we've been talking about those way too much, so I didn't really want to do those again. So we're just doing DWAC and Tesla today. And then we got our Yolos, as always. So this should be a short show, unless a lot of people come in and start chatting. Which is fine, I have no problem kicking it. So let's do it, guys. Oh, and we do have... hell's wrong with my voice today? I'm smoking too much. We do have one piece of news today about... Well, I guess 2, but one is related to DWAC. But the other piece of news is about FTX. So we'll get to that as well during crypto. Alright, guys, so let's do it. What's up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, man, as always. Alright, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, so let's do it, guys. Let me drink some water. Got a little backed up here, a little congested. Give me 1 second. Alright, guys, so I'm watching this right now, aftermarket DWAC. It is running in the aftermarket. That is not good. But, looks like it's bull flagging right now, so that's not good. But, I said I was done adding, but I'll probably add one more time if this, depending on where this finishes in the aftermarket here. If it finishes above 50, I'm probably going to have to add one more time. And then for real after that, I'm not adding anymore. But we'll get to this in just a second when we do the analysis. But, yeah, pretty nasty. I'm down about 100% here. A little less than 100% here. But, I'm not going to panic. This is a SPAC. I've seen this before, and we'll just do a quick summary here because we'll get to this a little later on. But, guys, I've seen this before. This is a SPAC. I have seen it moon like this, but, typically it doesn't moon 400%. But this is typically what happens in a SPAC. It's just a straight pump and dump. So we have this gap up here at 10, so I think it's coming back to 10. RSI's at 100, literally, 99.67. So, literally cannot get much higher than this. RSI is literally the maximum. So, the chart looks really bearish, I'm going to stick to my guns here with my gut, and that is to diamond balls. I mean, maybe it won't come back to 10 per se, but my average is 24 right now. This should come back to 24. Most definitely should come back to 24 at least. So at this point, I'm just looking to break even, maybe make a profit. You know, like I said, if it keeps going up here, which it is, it's up to 48 now. Disgusting. It's about to blow past. It might run to 50 here in the aftermarket. But anyway. So yeah, it's running right now. Pretty nasty, but, you know, this should come back down in the next few trading sessions. Highly, highly doubt this is going to run another, whatever, 100%, 300% tomorrow. Highly, highly unlikely. So, yep, took a big L here today. Not fun, but, you know, I've been through this before. Usually losses like this bad don't happen, but I've had losses this bad before, and I've held through, and I've came out with the green, so not going to panic just yet. Still holding. We'll see how the next few days goes. But, yeah, right now I'm down about 100% and looking to add depending where this finishes in the post-market today. Still can't believe this chart. Yeah, crazy chart. Literally, I mean, I'm telling you guys, it was very manipulated. I was watching it all day. This looked like it wanted to go timber so bad, and every time it did, every time it looked like it was like a bear flag or double top or cup and handle, whatever bearish indicator, this just ran right back up. So some shady stuff is definitely going on here. What would make me panic when I get to like minus 300% maybe? 2 or 300%. That's when I would start to panic. So, you know, unless this goes to like 100, then I'll panic. But like I said, I highly, highly doubt this is going to 100. This is just another day at the office. I mean, a little bit worse than usual. You know, usually I'm used to just being down like 50%. Today's 100%. But like I said, you know, I've been through situations like this before. This is a SPAC. Totally, totally overblown here. So, yeah. This should pull back. This should pull back. I'm definitely not covering here for this fat L. I'm going to make some money back at least. This is the SPAC of the year. It could be. It could be. Well, I mean, it depends on, you know, how much it dumps. What's up, Low Roller? What's up, Chase? Appreciate you guys for being here, as always. Haven't seen you in a while, Chase. Nice to see you, man. Welcome back. Have you seen a SPAC go to 100? There was not quite 100, but, you know, those Virgin Galactic. There's DraftKings. DraftKings went to 75, I think. And Virgin Galactic went to the 70s, I believe. Most SPACs are a scam. But Virgin Galactic and, you know, DraftKings are legit. You can argue Clover is legit. But most of these SPACs are scams. Maybe this is not a scam, you know, but I do expect this to pull back. Did you see Binance Bitcoin crash at $8K? Don't know what you mean there, Low Roller. Binance Bitcoin crash at $8K? I did not see that, and I'm not really sure what you're referring to. Crash at $8K. Please clarify. Looking to see 100 on DWAC. Well, like I said, if it gets to 100, then I'll start to panic. But, you know, that's highly unlikely. It's not going to go another 100% tomorrow. I mean, it may. For all we know. We'll see. You heard China considering legal Bitcoin mining again? I did hear that, yeah. But, you know, I wouldn't trust it at this point until it becomes law. Where did Lucid go to? I didn't even really see Lucid. It wasn't really mentioned too much today. Yeah, what happened to Lucid? Anyway, guys, so let's start off with my plays today, as always. So right there you saw DWAC. Looks like it's pulling back here in the aftermarket now, so that's good. But yeah, took a fat L on that one, still holding, and you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But I'm not panicking just yet. I think I can make my money back here. But congrats to everyone who made money on this one. Very happy for you guys. Crazy thing is, I was gonna go long, pre-market at like 11, but decided not to for some reason. I'm just not too comfortable going long yet, especially when something's up, 50%. Usually not a good idea. I would have been out at like 20 anyway. There was no way, even if I went long, there's no way I would have held till 45. Ain't no way. I would have been out at 20. But yeah, clown on me for not going long, and clown on me for getting caught by the balls here, and now I'm bag holding. What's up, Mitchell? You're still holding on so you are also in DWAC, I'm assuming, Mitchell. So yeah, so I'm glad everyone here made tendies for the most part. I took the sacrifice so you guys could print the tendies today. So, you're welcome, guys. Yeah, still gotta have a sense of humor after a nasty day like today. But thanks for being here, Mitchell. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right. So yeah, DWAC, SESN. I sold. I shorted yesterday at 135 and covered today at 125. I was looking for 110. It did not get there. It got to 115, I think, but unfortunately, I had to cover at 125, so I made a little less than 10% there, but pretty happy about that. Then SHPW, Shapeway Holdings. This was a SPAC that ran yesterday. Shorted this down at 10-something, and covered at, I think it was like 1080, 1085, and covered at 970, so made over 10% there. And then finally, PHUN, Funware. This was trading along with DWAC because there's rumors they have a partnership with Trump. So I did short this at 150 at the end of the day, and then what happens? It moves right to 180. So here's an accurate representation of what happened here. He sold. Pump it. So I'm actually down a couple $100 there. About $300 on PHUN right now. So yeah, I'm getting crushed by these Trump pumps right now. Maybe I should learn my lesson, right? Don't mess with the Trump pumps, but looking at the chart, these are easy shorts. So yeah, still holding. It's coming back down now. Only down 200 right now. And DWAC is also coming back down right now, below 46 again. So looking good here in the aftermarket so far. So yeah, that's what I did today. SESN, SHPW, DWAC, and PHUN. Only 4 plays. Did well on 2 of them, and I'm getting screwed on the other 2 right now. So, hope you guys had a better day than me. I'm getting wrecked here today, but it's all good, it's all good. Not panicking just yet. Bought at 16 and sold at 45, so almost a 200% gain there, Mitchell. Nice, dude, congratulations. Pretty much sold the top there, almost, and caught a really good price, 16. So awesome, dude. Very happy for you. The old me would have FOMO in at 50% up and held all the way through. Yeah, like a typical ape, no offense, but, that's typically what, new investors do, new traders. But, I'm glad you guys are learning. And even I'm learning from you guys, as I mentioned yesterday. We're all learning here as a community, so, I'm glad I can teach you guys. You guys can learn something. You guys can learn something from me, and I can learn something from you guys. So we're all getting better here every single day. Here, Bitcoin crash news. All right, Lorella, we can get to that very soon once we get to crypto, which we'll get to, in a couple minutes. The post AMC me. Meme? Post-AMC meme? I think you mean? Trump is a golden goose. Yeah, you know, I really wonder how, I wonder how this company's gonna go. Apparently, it doesn't drop. It doesn't launch till 2022, right? And, I don't know. I highly doubt it can compete with Google and Facebook, but we'll see. We'll see. I honestly think this is way overblown right now, just hype and momentum. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, not worried just yet. It's below 45 right now. Let's go. Let's go. Timber. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. And fun is also down to 153, so I'm down less than $100 on that right now. So aftermarket, very nice here, very nice. Come on, let's keep it going. Come on. Damn, SESN went to 120 though. Should have held that a little longer. All right, let's move on to the watch list now. No, I'm saying the post-AMC me who a FOMOer. All right, got you. Yeah. You know, you got to learn to resist FOMO. I kind of want to make a pun. No FOMO. You know, it's a play on words of, I shouldn't even say it. But no FOMO, guys. You know, you got to resist. Even if, no matter how bad you want to jump in, it's probably safer and better to avoid. Sometimes you get lucky. I mean, Team Crawford FOMO'd in at $40 today. And, you know, it went to like 50. So, it still could work, but be careful, guys. All right, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.02%. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.66%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 0.3%. We'll give that some applause here. So let's check it out. So we got DD up 13.81%. Huge day there. Don't really know what's happening, but big day for DD. It kind of seems like China in general, all the Chinese stocks are recovering. So, yeah, big day for DD. Match up 10.29%. Not sure what's going on there either, but big day for Match. Skills up 8.16%. Bumble up 7.49%. Roblox up 5.87%. Peloton 4.61%. Netflix 4.48%. Zillow 3.86%. Square 3.81%. A lot of these blue chip stocks and meme stocks doing well today. Got Tesla 3.26%, and we'll talk about that second today. What else we got here? Ford 3.18%, Sundial 2.72%, Nvidia 2.66%, AMD 2.53%, Nike 2.35%, Palantir 2.31%. Yeah, a lot of this seems very value heavy. A lot of value stocks went up a lot today. Not too much of growth. Let's see here. Anything else important? Not really. Let's take a look at the red side. So on the red side, we got CEI down 10.5%. I guess we could have talked about that one today, but we've been talking about it a lot, so whatever. Then we got IBM down 9.56%. That is nasty. What's happening there? Prague down 8.09%. That's pretty nasty. Hope a lot of you apes sold Prague. Microvision down 7.82%. ATER down 7%. ANY 6.87%. Riot 6.36%. A lot of these Zack Attack pumps are getting screwed today. So, yeah, straight pump and dumps. PayPal down 5.86%. That is nasty. What's going on there? Coinbase down 4.67%. I think that's just a crypto, exposure stock. Crypto's down a day, so, probably some healthy pullback there. GREE 4.5%. Wish 4.43%. T-Mobile 4.17%. That's nasty. AMC 4.01%, Marathon 4.07%, Oxygen 3.64%, MMAT, I just saw, where'd it go? 2.67%. So this wasn't too bad on the red side. It seems like the memes got slammed. Mostly just the memes. Yeah, memes and crypto stocks, it seems like, got wrecked today. So, not too bad, not too bad. You know, overall, this is a pretty bullish day. So, hope you guys made tendies. I did not, but, you know, like I said, I made the sacrifice, so you guys could make tendies. So, yeah, hope everyone printed today. And, congrats. And if you didn't make tendies, well, welcome to the club. Alright. So let's check out some aftermarket action here before we move on to crypto. Maybe I can make some tendies back. If I can live Rainbow Bear. Nothing going on just yet. So we'll get back to this in a second. But, yeah, give me 1 sec here. Let me pull up crypto. Everyone FOMO out of the Zack attack plays and hop into the Trump pump. Yeah, we got the puns going here. The rhymes. Should make a rap song. Huh? Wait a minute. I was confused because it said I still have SESN, but I don't. IBKR is not updating here. Uh-oh, it's going back up to 46. What a stock, what a stock. Alright, so crypto is down 3.5% today. Good. So let's take a look at the poop coins first. We got Dogenomics. Of course, more meme coins. I don't even know what that is. That's a new one, I guess. BitUp is up 35,000%. Blow Up is up 17,000%. 1,700%. 1,740%. We got Rainbow Token down 14%. That one sounds familiar. That's the one I said we should use here. We got Doge Dash. That one was trending yesterday, right? That's down 26%. So yeah, few of these poop coins here, but no Prince Floki, no baby Floki, Frunk Puppy, Billionaire Floki, FOMO Baby, all that stuff. None of that crap. Anyway, let's move on to our crypto here. So we got Bitcoin down 4.57%, below 63K. Ether pretty sideways. That's around 4,100 again. Binance down 5.38%. Cardano down 0.86%. Solana doing really well today, up 7.19%. That's number 6 now. Holy crap. In market cap. Quickly moving up there. XRP down 3.43%. Polkadot down 4.11%. Dogecoin down 3.83%. Litecoin down 3.79%. Chainlink up 3%. This is actually not too bad. Not too bad. You know, it's down 3.5%, which is like a slightly bearish day for crypto. But let's check it out here. Let's sort this. So it seems like 75% of coins are red today. So not too many coins in the green here, and not too much price action. The only thing in the double digits is Thor Chain, Rune. That's up 13.19%. Then we have GRT, NEXO, Near, VET. But yeah, not too much price action here on the green side. And the stuff that did go up, these are smaller cap coins here. Nothing big. But let's take a look at the red side now. So on the red side, this actually isn't too bad. There's a lot of coins in the red, like 75% of the top 100 coins are in the red here, but the price action isn't too bad. The worst thing is ENJ, and that's down 7.69%. Everything else is below that. So actually, red day in crypto, but not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. This is nothing compared to the run we've been on the past few weeks. So, just seems like some healthy pullback here. So, hope you guys didn't do too bad in crypto today. Hope you made money in crypto. And, hope. And if you didn't make money, hope you didn't lose too much money. But that is a good transition to our article for today. So let's get to that. Breaking news. House votes to hold Trump ally Steve Bannon in contempt over defiance of January 6 panel subpoena. All right, so Steve Bannon is going to get arrested. Is that what's going to happen? He's going to get thrown in jail? Bad PR for the Trump app, I hope. All right, so we have some news about FTX today. FTX coin, which is also a crypto exchange. So let's read. Crypto exchange FTX raises $420 million from 69 investors in meme funding round. LOL. Yep, this is real life. This is real life. Key points. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX has raised $420 million in a new round of funding, valuing the company at $25 billion. The firm raised the fresh cash from a total of 69 investors, including the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan Board, Singapore's Taymask, BlackRock, and Sequoia. So we got some major players here. The numbers 420 and 69 are a nod to meme culture. So, yeah, this is real life. This is a legit FTX. This is a legitimate exchange, and they're treating their business like a meme now, which is like pretty funny. But if you're trying to be professional, I mean, I guess you're catering to the apes. It's like free marketing, I guess, but I don't know if this is the best idea, if you're trying to raise legitimate money for your company. But anyway, I guess it worked. So, meme funding round, what the hell is this? Yeah, I don't know. This is real life now. This is, nothing surprises me anymore. Like I said, legitimate crypto exchange, FTX, meme funding. Insane. So, this was pretty funny to me. Definitely worth sharing with you guys, so hope you guys got a laugh out of this one. I found this one really interesting. Look at this guy. This is the CEO of FTX. Kind of looks like Vlad Tenev's brother. Looks like he could be in like Vlad Tenev, his cousin or something. Looks like an evil villain too. All right, Low Roller. I totally forgot about your article before, so let's open that one, and we can open this one as well. Sorry about that. Bitcoin price flash crashes by 87% to 8K? How? Interesting. 1 minute candle went from 66K to 8,200? The hell? Okay. Well, did people actually get filled on this? Did people get filled on this? If I put an order in for $10,000, like $10,000 buy, would I have gotten filled? This is crazy. Well, yeah, I wonder if the orders actually got filled or what, or it was an error. But yeah, that would suck if people had stop losses and they got liquidated. But yeah, I did not know about this, and this should not be happening at all. This is ridiculous. So I hope nobody actually lost money here, and this was just an error. But yeah, that's pretty ridiculous. Interesting though. So thanks for sharing, Low Roller. And what's the second article here? Houston firefighters pension fund makes Bitcoin Ether purchase. Fund has invested $25 million in crypto in what appears to be a first for a public U.S. pension plan. Well, very smart, very smart. More states should invest in crypto for sure, especially with that ETF now. For Houston, so this is in Texas. Cool. Yeah, good idea. So what? New Jersey pension invested $7 million in Bitcoin mining stocks last quarter? I didn't know that. Well, it looks like, yeah, public funds are investing in crypto now, so that's very bullish. So even governments are, jumping on the bandwagon. So, yeah, very, very bullish news. Happy for the firefighters and for everyday people. And, we're just going to see more of this in the future, and crypto's going to keep going up. So, thanks for sharing, Low Roller. Alright, so that's it for our crypto and our articles today. So now let's move on to the analysis. And like I said, we only have 2 today, so this should go pretty fast. Let me just check my portfolio here. All right, let's refresh. DWACW up 2,145%. Yeah, that's like MMAT or MMTLP, right? Where the actual the warrants or whatever, the dividend is worth more than the actual stock. Pretty ridiculous stuff. TTOO, let's check it out. Damn, what's happened to Snapchat? Snapchat's down 27%. Oh my god. Holy crap, what happened to Snapchat? Damn. Sorry to everyone with Snapchat. Let's look at both of those. TTOO. Alright, so we got PR here. I don't know if I should go for this one. This could be a... I don't know. I'm gonna hold off, see if this goes any higher. But I got my eye on this one. If I can get this at 110, that'd be pretty nice. 110, 115. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Not high enough for me to go for it just yet. So let's see if I can get this at 110 or 115. That'd be very nice. And then damn, it's going timber right now though. No, resist. Don't do it. Too risky. And what's up with Snapchat? Earnings. Snapchat got earnings. So bad earnings for Snapchat? Look at this. The hell? This is crazy. Could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, guys, but what the hell is going on with Snapchat? This is crazy. Well, I guess the gap filled here. Gap at 63. I guess that filled. But now we make a new gap at 74. Crazy. Crazy. Nasty. Someone brought a lot of puts. Puts on what? The USA government need investing Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. We can pay our national debt faster. Yeah, but that's never going to happen. You know, not on a scale that we want. The government is still very opposed to crypto. No government likes that, except for like third world countries, pretty much. First world countries, rich countries, they really don't like crypto, or they don't like their citizens using crypto. That is. Snapchat article. Sure. Is that a new one? I didn't see that before. Somebody get Snapchat some milk? Yeah. Nasty stuff there. Snap plummets 25% after missing on revenue expectations. Yep, so it's revenue. Or it's earnings. So, yeah. Not gonna read this, but yeah, what the hell's going on with Snapchat right now? That is nasty. Even if it's bad earnings, I don't really see it that bad. 25% down? That is nasty. What is this? MTCR? MTCR down 44%. What the hell is that? It's some biotech, but it's getting dumped right now. Look at that. Oh my god. I remember Wall Street bets YOLO on Snapchat on Leap's options. He is getting wrecked today. Yeah, he should have sold. Yeah, this is nasty. This is imagine making an earnings play and this happens. Risky stuff. Anyway, all right, guys. So let's do our analysis. And like I said, we only have two today: DWAC and Tesla. So this should go pretty damn fast. Maybe we'll finish at 6 o'clock today. Maybe, we'll see. Maybe sooner. DWAC. Okay, here's DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. This finishes at $45.50 today, and that is up 356.83%. This was an absurd run today. Absolutely insane. So this is the Trump SPAC. Trump has been saying for a long time that he did want to launch his own social media, you know, especially after he got banned from the other social medias. And that company went public today via SPAC. The company's name is Truth, and it merged with Digital World Acquisition Corp. So this was number 1 on StockTwits today. This had major momentum. And this was featured on news. An executive was on Fox News talking about the company. So right now there seems to be a lot of hype around this stock. A lot of hype and momentum. But we do have a CNBC article about this, so let's check that out first. All right, let's read. Shares of Trump-linked SPAC close up 350% following news of social media deal. Key points. The stock of SPAC company Digital World Acquisition Corp skyrocketed on extremely heavy trading volume after news of a merger that would launch former President Donald Trump's planned social media platform. DWAC's stock surged 350%, 357% Thursday, and trading was halted multiple times due to volatility. DWAC was among top 10 most popular names on Reddit's Wall Street Bets chat room, even exceeding meme stock GameStop's mentions. All right. So that was pretty much just that was pretty much just a summary of the price action today. So yeah, at the high this hit 52. So at the peak this was over 450%. It has since pulled back to 357%, but still a major day for this stock. So congrats to everyone who made tendies in this one today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. And there really isn't much data to go off of, but we can infer a lot from what we do have. So first of all, we have a gap up at $10. Not 10. What is this? Yeah, we'll just call it 10. So first of all, we have a gap up at $10. So that would currently be a bearish indicator because that means this stock is likely to come back to $10 eventually to fill that gap. Can't say how long that's going to take. It may be short term. It may take a while. But usually the gaps do fill. So that is definitely worth mentioning and keeping and something to pay attention for. Gap up at $10, that is bearish. The RSI is at 199.67. So this literally can't go any higher on the RSI. So this is extremely, extremely overbought and extremely overvalued, guys. Be very, very careful. And this did 478 million. And this did 478 million in volume today. Very significant volume. We don't really have any other days to compare this to, but that is a super big volume day. So this pump / squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, so like I said, not much data to go off of here, but this chart is clearly very, very bearish. Again, gap up at $10, 100 RSI and super high volume. Extremely bearish indicators and no bullish indicators. So therefore, I think this is going to go timber in the short term. Can't say how far it's going to pull back. But this run was absurd. There's no way this is sustainable. And eventually, this will have to come back down. Pretty hard. It's going to come back down just as fast as it went up. Unfortunately. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that and I would not recommend that. You missed your shot. Going long at $46, going long at $45.50 would be insane. That would be a high risk, low reward play. You're most likely going to get burned. You'd be FOMOing into a falling knife. Not a good idea, so please don't do that, guys. I will say, however, if this does pull back to 10 and fills the gap, then I would encourage loading up. I think 10 would be an excellent entry. And it may be a while before it gets there, but just have some patience. This should pull back, and you should be able to get a much better price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I think that would be an excellent play. Like I said, a lot of bearish indicators, no bullish indicators. This has to come back down after an absurd run like this. So, and this might come back down to 10. So from here at 45, that would be, what? That would be 35. That would be about a 70% downside at this current price of 45.50. So there's a lot of downside potential here. A lot of tendies to be made to the downside. And there really shouldn't be too much risk here. This shouldn't go too much higher. So I think going short would be a low risk, extremely high reward play. This looks like easy money. I would support going short here. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but like I said, this looks really, really bearish. So I would secure the gains here. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. All right. Let me check up on TTOO. And let's get to Tesla. All right, Tesla. Okay, here is TSLA Tesla. This finishes at $8.94. Excuse me. This finishes at $894 today, and that is up 3.26%. So the past couple of weeks, Tesla has been on a crazy run. There has been a lot of talk about this on Wall Street Bets, and today this was number 2 on StockTwits. So very strong momentum right now. And actually, today, we had earnings and a few price upgrades. So let's go over that. So I'm not sure what the revenue was, but the EPS was the EPS was $1.86, which beat the estimate of 96 cents. So that was a huge beat, almost by 100%. And I'm assuming the revenue was also a huge beat. So great earnings for Tesla. So that was very bullish for the apes and the institutions. A lot of institutions upgraded their price target. So let's take a look at that right now. All right. Baird upgrades to $888. Wedbush upgrades to $1,100. Credit Suisse upgrades to $830. Wells Fargo upgrades to $860. Mizuho upgrades to $950. Deutsche Bank upgrades to $1,000. RBC Capital upgrades to $800. Goldman Sachs upgrades to $905. JP Morgan upgrades to $250. That's pretty damn low. Barclays upgrades to $300, also pretty low. Roth Capital upgrades to $250, again, pretty low. Canaccord Genuity upgrades to $1,040. And I think that's it. Oh. And Bank of America upgrades to $1,000. So for the most part, the institutions are very bullish on Tesla. Some institutions think this is still overvalued, but they did raise their price targets. But overall, really good stuff for Tesla. Great PR and price upgrades driving the stock price up. So let's analyze now. Damn, it's at the 48 now. Holy crap. That's not good. Okay, there's a gap. So first of all, we have a gap up at 845. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should pull back to 845. Eventually to fill that gap. And that should be in the short term. This also looks like a complete cup here. Top of the cup being 900. Which this topped out today. Which this touched today. And it appears the bottom is around 560. So, what would that be? 900 minus 560 would be 340. 170, 730. Okay. So just some quick math off the top of my head. If this is in fact a complete cup and handle, and the handle is starting to form, then this should pull back to around 730 to complete the handle. 730 is halfway between 900 and 560. Actually, no. Did I get that right? 560. 400. 3. No, I got it right. So that would currently be a bearish indicator because that is telling us. So that would currently be a bearish indicator. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of $900.4 and $884. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $900.4, and if it breaks that, then it's onto the upside, onto uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what this stock is worth. I do hear our first siren today, guys. Maybe not our first, like second or probably second, but we've done pretty good with the sirens today. Not today, this week. I haven't had too many sirens, but I do hear one coming. So, let me mute here while that passes. Actually, let's check the aftermarket action. I just hate how I can hear this from like 20 blocks away. Alright, my bad, guys. All right. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 884, 871, 852, 831, 817, 799, 778, 762, 744, 721, 705, 686, 668, can't see here. 645, 623, 599, 573, 558, 537, well, we'll end it there. And the low of 537. And there is support below 537, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 894, the channels to the upside and the downside, well, the channels to the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action if this runs to the downside. However, if this runs to the upside, like I said earlier, that would be uncharted territory. So there are no channels. So expect a significant increase in price action if this runs to the upside and makes a new all-time high. The RSI is currently at 82, so this is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 31 million in volume today, which is actually below average, which is kind of odd and suspicious. So that makes me think today's run was a fluke and was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So just looking at the TA here, the chart, the technical analysis, this does look bearish. We have the complete cup with the handle forming, the high RSI, and the gap up. So those are all bearish indicators. No bullish indicators, and no neutral indicators. So this chart looks pretty strong on the bear. So you can make a pretty. So this chart does look pretty bearish, in the short term at least. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I wouldn't do that, and I would not recommend that. This is literally the all-time high. This should pull back. To 730 to form the handle. So I don't think this current price of 894 is a good entry. I would wait until at least 730 to enter. I would wait till at least 730 or below to enter. So I would set your buy orders for 730. And if it goes below that, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Personally, I wouldn't do that because I wouldn't dare short Tesla. This is not a meme stock. This is a legit stock that has a great future ahead of it. So even though this does look very bearish, all the technicals are there for an easy short play. Personally, I wouldn't do it because that is a bit risky. However, if you guys want to go for it, then I could support that. As long as you understand there is still risk involved here. You should not underestimate the apes. You never know what's going to happen. In fact, this could keep running to the upside. I don't think it's very likely that you're going to get squeezed out, but it's possible. So again, going short here does look like a good play, but there is still risk involved. So if you guys want to do that, just be aware of the risks. And again, I wouldn't personally do it, but if you guys want to go for it, it does look like a pretty good short play. Just looking at the graph here. I will say though, just like going long, if this does pull back to 730, I would definitely cover there. This is not one you should hold for that long on the short side. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this stock today and the past couple of weeks. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but like I said, this chart does look pretty bearish at the moment. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TSLA Tesla. All right, guys. So that's it. That's all the analysis for today. We're done. The shortest analysis ever. We had one with pretty straightforward chart, and then we had Tesla. So if there's any honorable mentions that you guys want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to do that. In fact, let's look at stock twits right now. After we look at this again, TTOO is, what's it at now? Damn, DWAC, yeah, it's running here. It just broke the all-time high. It's at 52 now. Disgusting, absolutely. And FU and PHUN is also running. So yeah, I'm getting screwed here today. Not fun, not fun. That is very unfortunate. Tim Crawford, you gonna hit the sell button soon? This is crazy. Going to 100? I don't know. It's possible. It's actually possible. Craziness. Sure hope not, but I'm getting screwed right here. Alright. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos. Trump making the market great again. Oh, man, he deleted. Well. Oh, well. What's up, Busybone? Yeah, you weren't here before. I thought you might have been. Yeah, but you weren't here. What's up, man? Thanks for being here as always. Trump making the market great again. Yeah, until it dumps, because you know it's coming down. But thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. Alright, well, this one got deleted. So that sucks, but it was the crazy guy, the Marty McFly guy, the professor, crazy looking guy. But it got deleted. That sucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing here? Oh, missing 1. Short when? I would say now, but, I shorted at 18. My average is 24 right now. I'm down over 100%, so this is nuts. Oh, crap, it's at 54. Yep. Just bring more pain. Yeah, great. More pain. This is disgusting. Megat, stop. Make it stop. What the hell? And PHUN is still running too. I'm getting screwed on all of this. Dang, yeah, that's what everyone said. Everyone was comforting me in the Discord today, but it's all good. It's all good, you know. Yeah, it hurts, but you know, just another day at the office. This is one of the bigger losses that I've taken in a while, but you know, it should run. What just happened? Oh, I reshorted PHUN. All right. Yeah, you know, this has happened to me before. This is nothing new, so unfortunate, but I'm definitely not covering here. You know, I'm gonna hold this till it comes back down. Anyway, guys. So for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button, please? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right, guys. So let's get to our Yolos. Should be fun today. Nothing too serious. We have General YOLO here. We have one about DWAC today. Tesla, BlackBerry, Didi, and Facebook. So let's do it, guys. So this first one is by Stifler. So we definitely reviewed this guy a lot before. This guy should be considered for the Wall Street Bets Hall of Fame. This is a major contributor here. Anyway, they say so far so good. And we see our graph here. Can I open this? Please. There we go. Yeah. This past year, minus $287,000, minus 98%. And yeah, he still has 7K, but I'm pretty sure we reviewed this guy before, and he did some crazy YOLOs where he actually hit. And I'm pretty sure I told the guy, stop doing this, because it's not going to work eventually. And yeah, I think he just gave it all right back, chucked it all right back, and his account's almost at 0. So, yeah, that really sucks. There's another page here. All right, so... yeah, he all-in YOLO'd everything on Taiwan Semi here. TSM, 136 calls for TSM for January 21st, 2022 at the 140 strike. So I'm not even going to check this. It's probably going to expire worthless here. This is disgusting. So, yeah, this really sucks. So, Stifler, thanks for posting. Great content here. I love it. Sorry for your loss, dude. This really, really sucks, but let's be honest, man. This was totally your fault. I don't know why you would YOLO everything on one play like that. I mean, I guess go big or go home, but yeah, don't do this, guys. Way too risky. It could have paid off big, but, you know, it went wrong, and he's down all his money here. Literally, all his money. So, yeah, don't do this, guys. Super, super risky. It's great content, but please don't do this, guys. This is insane. So, Stifler, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And, I mean, at this point, you still have some value left. I guess you should just cut it at this point. You know, save yourself whatever this is. Yeah, $7,000. Just cut, dude. Save yourself $7,000. And, this is great content, but you really should stop doing this because it's not a long-term winning strategy, and you got a long way to rebuild. So, yeah, dude. In the future, please don't do this anymore for your own sake, man. But I appreciate the content, and thanks for posting, and good luck to you in the future. All right, so here's a really good one. I can relate to this one a lot. This one is by Coinbase. Help needed. They say, tried shorting Trump. Future is questionable now. So, I'm not really sure what the cost basis was, but he did the same thing I did. Tried shorting down DWAC. Except, his loss was a lot worse than mine. Yeah, I'm down, 5 figures here. But this guy is down almost $1 million. Actually, probably more than that. It says he's down almost $2 million. So I don't know what's really going on here. Was this margin or what? Says minus $1.9 million, down 186%. So, looking at this doesn't make me feel too bad. I wasn't the only one thinking this was an easy play, and not the only one who got screwed here. So, this makes me feel a lot better. This is insane. This is absolutely insane here. So, I don't know if he's still holding or what. I think so, but yeah, really nasty stuff. I feel this guy's pain. I mean, I guess I don't. I guess I don't. This is absurd. Very, very sorry. So, Coinbase help needed. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. I'm not even going to try to tell you what to do here. I'd just hold it. It's probably coming back. You can probably make a good amount of money back. But this is nasty. I hope you didn't get margin called. But it kind of seems like he is on margin because he's minus 860K. I really hope he's not on margin here. Because then you're going to get margin called. Oh my god, that would suck. This tops all the YOLOs. Yeah, and this isn't even options. This is just straight up shares. $1 million YOLO here. So, yeah, Coinbase help needed. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not over yet. If it were me, I would just hold and hope, it comes back down. You can make some money back. Yeah, man. Very, very unfortunate. So, yeah, we're in the same boat here. Clown on both of us. Clown. So yeah, man. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you and me. And please post updates, man. Hopefully this works out for you and me both. Yep, he's on margin. Yep, that sucks. So, yeah, he's screwed. I don't know what he's going to do here. You can just delete Robinhood. You can delete your app. This is disgusting, guys. Yeah, see? Guys, don't trade on margin. Don't trade on margin. You have one bad day, this can happen to you. It's really nasty. You don't want this to happen to you. So, yeah, guys, good example here. Good learning lesson. Don't trade on margin. And don't, place your bet sizing appropriately. Don't YOLO your whole account. All right, this one is by Fresh Jury. They say Tesla puts F. He's on Weeble. You can delete Weeble. Yeah, Tesla puts F. So, got a bunch of Tesla puts here. March 18th, 2022. December 17th, 2021. Whole bunch of different strikes. 100, 240, 550, 150, and 250 strikes. Damn. Looks like Michael Burry. Pulled a Michael Burry, but yeah, all in all, he's down $83K, $83,000. Yeah, this is really, really bad. I don't think Tesla is gonna go below 550 by March 18th. Yeah, this really sucks. So he still has 14K in value here. And, that's a lot of money. You gotta cut, dude. If you don't cut, this is most likely going to zero. So I'm not really sure why you made this play. Like I said earlier, I would not bet against Tesla. But maybe I'm not autistic enough, like Michael Burry. And yeah, not working out here, not looking great. So, Fresh Jury, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, not over yet, but really not looking good. And yeah, I don't like the play. I don't like betting against Tesla. And in addition to that, these strikes are way out of the money. I mean, I guess the expirations are okay, but, I don't like this play. And yeah, at this point, I think you just got to cut. 14.5K, a lot of money. No reason to chuck that. Take it out now or it's going to zero. So, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Yeah, if he's watching right now, he needs to cut this. I sure hope so. If he doesn't, it's going to zero. But, apes don't know sell button. Alright, this one is by Nitrous Express. They say BlackBerry, 1029 $12 calls to 5K to 23K in 3 days. Staircase to Tendy Town. Re-YOLO to shares. Okay. Is this right? Well, let's just look at the graph here. So, yeah, the options page wasn't exactly correct, but it says he went from 5K to 23K. It says 16.665. It says like 17K here, so I don't know why he says 23K. But anyway, so actually, I guess let's look at the play. So, $12 strike, December or October 29th. So next Friday in 1 week. Let's look at BlackBerry. So this is out of the money. BlackBerry's at 11.30. So yeah, the play itself, I really don't like that. This is way too risky. $12 strike. I mean, it's a decent strike, but probably not for next week. So I really don't like the play. I don't like the strike. I don't like the expiration. I guess the timing was good. But he says he sold out already, and he re-YOLO'd into shares. So I don't love the play, but he timed it very well, and he cashed out. So he played it correctly. I give him that. And he re-YOLO'd into shares, so he de-risked. So actually, this was pulled off really, really well. Even though this is highly risky, and I wouldn't encourage anyone to do this, this was played like full Chad mode. So very well done. This is this graph. Or yeah, he re-YOLO'd into 2,000 shares. But anyway, so Nitrous Express, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, man. Great content, super ape stuff. I don't really like it. I don't like the strike. I don't like the expiration. But this was very well timed and on the entry and the exit. And I do like the re-YOLO of the shares, de-risking, which is not something apes really do. So yeah, man, overall, good stuff here. Great content. Congratulations to you. Yeah, good luck to you in the future, and hope to hear from you again. Even though I feel like Tesla's way overvalued as well. 45 away from 100. Dude, Chase, I wouldn't get too greedy, man. I don't know what your entry is, but yeah, it's at 57 right now. Holy crap. This is absurd. Fun kicking up nice. Yeah, that too. So I'm getting screwed all around here. Oh boy. Alright, well, I guess I'm adding again after the show. This really, really sucks. This is disgusting. All right, what you gonna do? That sucks. I found this Tesla put. Sure, low roller. We'll get to that after we're done here. All right, this one is by Nicholas J. Says DD did it, 11K gain. So here we have $9 or 279 calls for DD. $9 strike expires next Friday, October 29th. So this was approximately a 5.5K YOLO, and right now he's up about $12,000, 217%. All right, let's look at DD. 180 or 980. Bad back 007. It's only money. I mean, the government gives it out for free. It's only money. Yeah, if only, if only it were actually money. I mean, it is just money, but it hurts. It really hurts. I mean, I guess unless it doesn't. But thanks for joining the show, man. Appreciate you. Don't think you've been here before, so welcome to the community. Thanks for attending the show today, man. Almost done here, though. All right. So DD is at 980, so this is in the money. 80 cents in the money here. The chart does look kind of bearish at the moment. So to be safe, I would just cut it here. Got a week to go. You never know what's going to happen. This could pull below 9, so either cut the cost basis and let it ride, or cut everything. I would probably lean towards cutting everything, but he's in a really good spot here. He can go about this a few different ways. He can let the whole thing ride, cut a little bit, let it ride, or cut everything. So, Nicholas J, thanks for posting. Great content here. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in really good shape here. So as for the play itself, I like the strike. Expiration's a little close, but it worked out, and good timing. So overall, pretty good play. I like it. And as of right now, you're in a good spot here. You got 1 week to go, and 80 cents in the money. So you can either let it ride, cut the cost basis, and let it ride, or cut everything. And I would probably go with cutting everything. This may be the highest your contracts are worth. Looking at the graph here, this does look pretty bearish, cup and handle, high RSI, so I would opt for the cutting everything. But, like I said, you can cut half and let the rest ride on house money. I wouldn't really let everything ride, but if you really want to, you can do that too. Anyway, thanks for posting, man. Congrats to you so far. And yeah, you're in a really good spot here. So you should be printing the tendies no matter what. Good luck to you in the future, and please post updates. All right, last one, or I guess second to last one. This one is by Stop the Ban 420. Nice. They say Facebook YOLO. All right. So here we have 76 calls for Facebook. What is this strike? Are these put? No, these are calls. PHUN is dumping? Good. I mean, not really. A little bit. I mean, it's better than nothing. Probably gonna go for it at the end of the show. Or, at the, after the show. So, yeah, this is for the... Looks like the, 342.5 strike. And these expire tomorrow. October 22nd. So, this was approximately 14.5K YOLO, $14,500 YOLO, and right now he's up 215%. $58. Not up much. This was just made today, but I'll give him some applause there. So let's check it out. Facebook. 342. Okay, so this is actually in the money right now. So it seems like he bought a safe strike. So I like the strike. I don't like the expiration, and the timing is okay, I guess. Very, very risky stuff here. I don't really understand this play. In the money call, FD, super FD, and yeah, I don't know about this one. I don't really see the logic in this one. Other than he knows Facebook is going to run in today and tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not sure why he's doing this. This is too degenerate for me. Don't do this, guys. And yeah, so I mean, this should finish in the money. Actually, it's not in the money. My bad. It's not in the money. I thought it was. It's not in the money. Yeah, this is really bad. This is really, really bad here. Yeah, I have no idea why he did this. This is stupid. This is so risky. You might as well just chuck 15K. Like, yeah, at this point, he's actually up money, or he was, so I would just cut this and just be happy if you're up money tomorrow. Even if you're down money, if it's a small loss, then fine. But I would cut this first thing, and hopefully you can escape with a profit here. I don't know why you would do this. This is insane, super risky. This is pretty much giving away 15 grand. This makes absolutely no sense. Don't do this, guys. So stop the ban 420. Thanks for posting. Great content here. This is super degeneracy, super ape stuff. I love it. But I'm praying for you, man. And yeah, honestly, I don't know what the hell you're doing here. Do you have some inside information that you just know Facebook is going to moon tomorrow? This is very risky. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing, all around pretty bad, very risky. And more likely than not, you're going to be out 15K tomorrow if you don't sell this back. So please sell this back tomorrow in the morning. Whether you're up a little bit or down a little bit, just cut it here. Because if you don't, you're probably going to be out 15K. Just my advice, not financial advice. So, yeah, thanks for posting, man. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Dumping bears to pump apes and bulls. I will see y'all later. Gonna go to the movies to see Venom. All right, thanks, Marvin. Catch you later. See you on Discord. Thanks for being at the show today, man. Enjoy. I think we got one more by Low Roller, and that's it. We might finish at like 5:45 today. Super early show. Yeah, Low Roller, we already did this one. I had this one earlier. We already went over that one. So, but thanks for mentioning that. But we already did that one. So actually, we're done at 5:30. Crazy. We usually go. Sometimes we go 3 hours. Today 1.5, but yeah, only went through 2 stocks today. Actually, let's go on stock twits. Let's see if there's any honorable mentions. We got some time to chill here. Let's see what's trending right now. So Snapchat, yeah, we already looked at that. Yeah, really nothing. Maybe we should have discussed BBIG and CEI, because those finished pretty down. Whatever. That's alright. Well, yeah, I guess that's the show, guys. Anything else? You guys want to kick it? You have any questions? Yeah, very, very short show today. Not much to talk about. Unless you guys want me to talk about CEI and BBIG, but, it's usually the same. I'm just going to say the same stuff I've been saying. TTOO. Look at Cable again? Sure. Thought you were leaving, man. Sure, dude. Should I short DWAC now? It's gonna brick before open, right? Well, not financial advice. I would say hell yeah, hell yeah. You know, it's gonna gap. We'll look at KAVL. Well, let's look at DWAC first. So it's gonna gap at 52. You know, so I mean, maybe not short just yet. It kind of looks like it's bull flagging again, but I would definitely short it before the post market closes. But this is gonna gap at 52. So if you catch this at 59, you know, that's an easy like 15% there. So yeah, bad back 007. I would say yes, but not financial advice, man. But this looks like an easy short play, man. Gap just got filled. What gap? Oh, Cable? Sure. And bad back. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate that. And liking the video too. Thank you. Are you still in SESN? No, I covered. Covered at 125, so made like 7% there, something like that. Should have held to 120, but I took 125, so no, I'm not in SESN still. I covered. KAVL. Gap just filled. Yeah, this gap filled. Yeah, this gap filled. You're right. So, I mean, yeah, nothing's really changed since we talked about it before. I did say it was probably going to fill the gap, right? I remember saying that. I did. So, yeah, I said it was probably going to fill the gap and then come back up. So, it looks bullish to me right now. Although there is another gap here at $1. Way back here at $1. So, maybe it'll come back to $1. Hopefully not. But it does look bullish to me right now. You know, got this gap down, cup and handle. So, definitely doesn't hurt buying in here, and you can just average down. So, I hope that answers your question, Marvin. I still in it because of GFV. Got lucky they didn't dump. Are you going to dump tomorrow, Team Crawford? Think you should. On both, like and subbed. All right, thank you very much, Bad Back. And yeah, welcome to the community, dude. If you want, you can join the Discord too. Link in the description. You know, kick it here every day. So appreciate that, man. All right, guys. Anything else? Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns about anything, not just stocks. You want to talk about life? You want to talk about cars? Whatever. Pop culture, movies, women. I don't know. Got a lot of time here. I got nothing left to talk about. So if you guys don't want to chill, then I guess we'll just get out of here. Well, this is pretty cool. Yeah, TTOO is going timber. I don't think I'm going to catch that one. Well, yeah, I got wrecked here today, so probably going to have to add a lot of money here tonight, and hopefully tomorrow is a lot better. This is disgusting. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. So, you know, I'm going to have a lot of time to edit videos tonight. So, falling behind on those, I'll get that done. Trump pump the like button. Yes, please pump the like button, guys. Please Trump pump the like button. That would make me feel a little bit better today. I lost a lot of money here today, guys. I lost 5 figures today, so. Yep. That sucks, but that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video, please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I hope you make it out green tomorrow, Ty. Appreciate that. I sure hope so too. I'm going to add here. This is ridiculous. There's no way this is not going down. And then imagine, it does run at 100. I can see that. I can see it, but probably not. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. What are your thoughts on AMC? All right, guess we're not done yet. Well, bad back. I do have a few videos, a couple days, from the past couple of shows. If you want to check those out, I did discuss AMC, but no, it looks bullish to me, dude. You see here, it looks like it's cup and handling, so that's bullish. We're kind of rejecting the cup and handle now, but we have a huge bull flag here. You see, it's consolidating. So, if you watch the previous shows, I said this is probably going to consolidate around $40, and eventually this will break out again. So personally, I think it's going to consolidate around $40, maybe for a couple more weeks or so, and eventually this should break out. This does look very, very bullish. Huge bull flag here. Neutral RSI and volume, but yeah, right now this is just consolidating. So I would definitely support going long, as long as you're willing to hold for a little bit. This may not have too much price action in the coming weeks, but once this flag really consolidates around 40, it should break out. So the answer to your question is there is a lot of juice left on the table, but maybe not, immediately in the immediate future. Probably in a couple weeks, couple of months, it's going to break out again, I would say. So hope that answers your question. Bad back. All right, anything else, guys? Little bit of a delay here. All right. I think that's it. So let's get out of here. All right, I'm out for real this time, guys. Yeah, me too. We too. We're all out of here. So yeah, thanks to was a pretty good show. Short but sweet. Thanks to everyone who attended. Thanks to all the regulars, as always. Appreciate you guys. Thanks to everyone new who came in, and thanks to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really, really appreciate everyone. Thanks for the show, guys. And I appreciate the comments to make me feel better about getting wrecked here today. Appreciate you guys. All right, let's get out of here. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.